This AMC versus GME is another manipulation tactic. Don't fall for it. Yes, we need to read this. This is big. There's no reason for us to be fighting each other, and this is what Hedgie is counting on to beat us. It is, to them, it is only a matter of time before they wear us all down. They can take a small L, laugh it off, and go on totally, I'm not going to say that your entire life. Just chill out, say a few goose frabas, and wish each other good luck, and take in the tendies when the time comes. That is so important to talk about, guys. We really need to talk about that. So what does this mean when it says, we don't need to separate ourselves? This is turning into an apes versus apes thing. We don't need that, right? And we absolutely don't need that. That's massive. That's massive. Together we can do so much. It's not a one or the other situation. AMC, which is what I represent, right? I love AMC. I think AMC is going to squeeze. I like AMC a crap ton. I personally want AMC to moon like you wouldn't believe. But that doesn't mean that GameStop can't do the same thing, right? We don't need to pit ourselves against each other. You don't need to insult our fellow apes, our fellow gorillas, our fellow silverbacks, orangutan, whoever it may be, just because they're not an AMC, right? Because GameStop is a good opportunity for a squeeze as well. I think that we can do a lot more together than we can, separated. There's a lot more that brings us together than there is that separates us, which is massive. It's truly, truly, truly huge. Why? And this is what I've been talking about forever. This is a huge point that I want to get across with the channel, is we are all people before anything else, before our political parties, before our opinions, before our feelings, before our color on our skin, right? We're people, and there's so much that brings us together that we have in common than separates us, especially with this situation. We're fighting the exact same freaking fight with GameStop and AMC. It comes down to the exact same thing. The exact same thing. So it doesn't need to be an ape versus ape thing, guys. Ape no hurt ape. Ape no kill ape. We are apes together. So just hold out. We don't need to separate ourselves. We don't need that AMC versus GME bull crap. That's not what it is. That's just shit. It is. And I'll swear and I'll get demonetized because I don't like seeing that. I wish it wasn't that way.